Welcome to Raji's Creative Studio. Let's get creative. Today we are going to make these beautiful flower balls. This can be used as decoration in any of your rooms. So let's get started. For this we would need tissue papers, scissor, pencil, scale and a nylon string or any string that you are having. I am using a nylon string. I am doing a marking of 1 inch each. And this will be done on the longer side of the paper, that is on the 16-inch side. The reason why we are doing this marking is we need to fold this paper across these markings so that we get the folds which are equally sized. Once we have done the marking, let's start folding. So with the help of the scale, I am going to fold this paper. It's easier to fold this paper using the scale because there are 14 sheets that have been used. Just give it a little press using the scale, but do not tear the tissue. So we will keep on doing this till we reach the end of the paper. So keep folding across the markings that we have made on either side of the paper. These markings are just made to ensure that your folds are neat. Once we have folded this sheet throughout from one end to other, now we are going to use these folded lines as a guide for making a fan shape. So let's start folding these papers into a fan shape structure. Once we have folded this across as a fan shape structure, let's fold it in the middle of this tissue paper and we will attach the string around here. This string I will be using it for hanging my ball. To ensure that you are attaching the string to the middle of the paper so that your ball looks equal on either side of the sphere. So now let's try a nylon string in this area where we have folded these sheets. I would like to secure my knot using a super glue so that it doesn't come off. Since it's being a nylon thread, there are chances that it might come off. Once we have attached the string, let's make a shape at the edges on either side. It's up to you whether you want it to be a angular shape or whether you want it to have a rounded shape. You can even make an angular shape, that is a V shape. I'm making a rounded shape, so I just draw it across. You can even eyeball it and cut it across. But if you are not sure, your cutting won't be that perfect, you can draw it across and then cut it over the drawn edges. Once we have got the desired shape on either side of the tissue, if you feel at certain places it's not come out perfect, you can give it a fine cutting at the end. Once you have done that, it's time to open up the tissue papers to give it that ball-like structure. Since we have used 14 sheets, we are going to open up 7 sheets on the top and 7 sheets on the bottom. This we are going to do on both the sides of the string, that is on the left and the right side of the string. So open up 7 on the top, 7 at the bottom. Once you have done that, see how beautiful does a flower ball look. Thank you for watching. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.